Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 VE Commodore SV6 Ute. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 to the 4th month 2013. This vehicle is fitted with an LY7 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed rear-wheel drive manual transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy wheels. We have left-hand power door mirror, left-hand door, factory 19-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, factory 19-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre, right-hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand power door mirror, factory 19-inch alloy mag wheel, right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with a factory leather interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy manual transmission center console, handbrake lever, factory 6-stack CD player, factory heater controls, display cluster, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, right-hand sun visor, SV6 manual transmission instrument cluster, and has a tidy black leather steering wheel with stereo controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.